Hello and welcome to Active Finance YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. So in this short video we are going to learn about how to calculate dividend return. So let's get started. Alright, welcome back. So dividend returns. This is the formula for calculating dividend return. So the formula is D1 plus P1 minus P0 divide with P0. We will get the dividend return. Whereas so D1 is dividends that we are expecting in a given time period, and P1 is the current price of that share, and P0 is the base price, or as you can also say that it is the initial price of the share. So this is the formula for calculating dividend returns. Now if you are only want to calculate the dividend yield, so this is the formula D1 we will divide with P0 as a base price, so we will get the dividend return or dividend yield, or also it is known as current yield. If you want to calculate the price appreciation return, that how much price is increase of that share, so this is the formula current price minus base price, and we will divide with base price then. So we will get price appreciation or capital gain or loss. There are circumstances that the share price can be either increase or decrease. If the share price is increased, so it is known as price appreciation or capital gain. If the share price is decreasing, so it will be called as capital loss. Here is example. To assume an investor is considering the purchase of stock A. One investor want to purchase stock A at the beginning of a year. So at the beginning of a year, the stock share price is $40. The dividend at a year end is expected to be $1.50. So the investor is expecting that we will receive the $1.50 as a dividend, and the market price at the end of the year expected to be $50, and also it is expecting that the stock price will increase in at the end of the year as $50. So what would be the return of that share? So we will put these values in this formula to get the dividend return. So this is formula D1 plus current price minus base price, and we will divide with base price then. We will put these values. So at D1 we will here put the dividend price as $1.50, and then we will plus dividend yield with price appreciation 50. Current price we will minus from the base price, and then we will divide with base price, and we will get the dividend return. So let's move towards the calculator to calculate this value. So we will here in a calculator we will put 1.50 plus $50 minus $40, and we will divide this with base price, and we will finally divide with 40, and we will got the answer $50.5. In this way we can calculate the dividend return. So this was all about calculation of dividend return. If you have any kind of question related to this topic, kindly drop in comment box, and for getting latest uploads kindly do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you.